suppose they'd say the verlate vlaktes, né? I don't know if this is exactly Karoo. Again, the geologist can type in the notes below. There's got a bit of wind coming from the front as well. Front or the left front. Can feel a little orphan mountain over there. Somehow just got plopped down or pushed up. Who the hell knows what happened there? Shallow mountain. Sure, I wonder if that bit of road that was getting done was the last, because this is all done. So damn nice to see development, right? We were sort of travelling southeast, I think, for a stretch. Gone more, well, I don't know if it's due south. I haven't got my compass. That sun. So of course, if you're travelling early and you're going east, you know, at sunrise you can't see. Of course, is a factor, but you know, that might hit me when I'm going from Cape Town east, you know, and then before I start tracking north again, and bits of it, Lusaka to Malawi, but not a big issue. Purring along at 100, 4,000 revs on the nose, temperature at completely cold. Alright, see you later. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, they're building this part. Okay, so the new traffic's coming. Donkey. The new traffic's coming on the other side, the built road, I guess.